It's definitely not 100% usable on its own, or else there would be no use for humans at all, right? Because people would just go straight from Jarvis, Jasper.
Yeah.
Fuck it, I'm going to call it whatever I want.
Yeah.
You go straight from Jasper into WordPress, which isn't the best thing to do, for one, because some of the readability isn't always great. It's not fluid. And two, what I've seen is a lot of times Jasper will use similar sentence structures, which means that they're serving up those exact sentences to other people using the app, which means if you're publishing the same content someone else is, Google's not going to be too kind.
Yeah. I think the other thing too is that when you're entering in content into these, or into Jasper or any of the sites, it's like what it spits out, it's not integrating into WordPress. Like Jarvis is almost encouraging you to re-edit it because it doesn't integrate and go directly to WordPress or Shopify or whatever blog site you're using. So